Gold is scaled towards 2052 levels. I have mentioned several times in my weekly and daily review. Beyond 2020, 2025, there is no looking back. Direct stoppage is towards 2050 levels. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect from gold today? Can we expect it to retrace a little on the downside, or is it going to stay bullish? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. This is the first update for the day. Next update for the gold will be released before the US session, before the data released today. Do watch that as well. Let's first on the hourly charts. See, gold consolidated here for a while, took the base from 20 period moving average, and it has given a breakout. Now, what has happened since then? It is divergent here, and it is waiting for the moving average to climb up. Now, also you must note that 1940, 1938. This has become the support, first support, and then 1934, 35. This is the second support. So possibly we can take a sell entry at 1938, 40 levels, but then we have to wait for it to break below 34, 35 levels. This is certainly going to be a greater support. Even if it tries to trade with a bearish bias, these levels are certainly going to play a major role. Now, what has happened here? See, it has formed a base. Now, what it is doing is this. It is trying to create another bullish channel before it gives a breakout again. So, yes, a bullish move, retracement here, and possibly it could trade within this zone with the support at 2038, 2040. And hence, only sell entry today is below 2038 levels. Then you can expect 2034, 35, and then 2028, 30 levels. It is still trading with divergence. It is still staying bullish. Stochastic was overbought. It has cooled down a bit. MACD has seen a good rise. It is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. It is scaled towards extreme high levels here. See, this is at +8, and this is also trading with extreme divergence. That is why we can see red candles here. RSI was extremely overbought. It has cooled down a bit, but it is still over. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see consolidation and the breakout here. Now, looking upwards, see too much of divergence of price from the moving average calls for it to converge and calls for moving average to climb up. So it is going to trade in the zone, in the range, that is what it appears. Or because see, too much of divergence, I always say that the prices tries to converge, and hence even if it is bullish, it can try to retrace a little on the downside. But only sell entry I will recommend is below 2040, 2038 zone. Even below that, 2034 and 2028 are going to be major support levels. It is only to be treated bearish if gold is seen trading below 2010 levels. Remember this fact. Stochastic is overbought. MACD. Now see, MACD has seen extreme divergence, extreme bullishness, and it has come to +10 levels, which is definitely a higher level. See, bottom here was at -5. And it is not that it cannot scale to further highs, but I still am doubtful that it are at higher levels. RSI is extremely overbought here as well. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, too much of divergence of the price from the moving average. And we have seen it always converging. It has converged here as well. Now it is looking upwards. Moving averages have started to look upwards as well. And it is staying in this bullish channel. We have to wait for it to either break out on the upside or downside in order to confirm a direction. Possibly what I will be looking forward for it to trade with slight bearish bias, wait for it to come, wait for the moving average to climb up here, and then decide which direction it wants to take. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent, bullish, looking upwards. Candle size have peaked up. It is trying to converge, and it is not that it cannot scale to further highs, but right now it is little overbought. Likewise on the RSI, yes, it is overbought. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour chart, see, first of all, the preceding candles scaled towards 2052. This has got a pullback. It was outside Bollinger Bands. Now, this could be one of the reversal indications. If the prices stays below 2040, 2038, this could be one of the reversal indications that prices are not willing to stay bullish and it is going to drop. What will happen then? It will trade with a slight bearish bias. It will wait for the moving average to climb up. 2030, 2028 levels should be good support. And please note that These are markets. Anything and everything is possible. It can erase the gains here with the data today as well. This is also possible because the rise was extremely bullish. Also, if you see the candle size here on the 4-hour charts has diminished. Certainly the markets have closed, and today it has shown a reversal. So possibility from of gold from here to reverse exists strong. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought as well. Coming to the now, before I study the daily charts and give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28 batch is announced. Do not miss this opportunity. Begin your new year with a bang with the learnings which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. And yes, more details you can get by visiting my platform www.forexfunda.com. This is my own platform and this has much more in offering, be it the details related to the mentorship batch. Yes, I have a webinar where every weekend we discuss what to be expected from the markets in the coming week, how to trade, how to profit, and I'll be taking up your live questions as well. Do register for this webinar. And yes, you can find the breaking news here from across the globe along with the economic calendar where the live data releases are there and the charts are there. You can find out the live charts of your favorite instruments. You can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And yes, the commodity or community is there where you can take up the discussion with the like-minded traders. So do visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now coming to the daily chart, see, first of all, the candle is outside Bollinger Bands. This calls for it to show a little pullback, but remember this is coming after a good breakout. See, this was the breakout, bulls continued here. It is just trying to retrace or consolidate before taking a direction. It will wait for the Bollinger Bands to expand before taking a direction. Thus, it is possible that today gold might try to retrace a little on the downside. How far? 2035, 2030 levels should be a good. Now, see, first of all, just notice this where this candle has closed 2044.45. How high it is scaled? 2052. The lows, even if it tries to show a pullback, 2034.35 certainly should be a very good support, and it can try to show a swing in between this zone. If you look at the daily stochastic, this is overbought here. The MACD, now look at MACD, this is divergent, this is bullish, it has crossed over here and it is scaling towards the highs again. RSI is again over. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold today only if you see it staying 2050 levels. Beyond 2050, yes, we can expect gold to rise more, and then I will look forward to 2054, 2060, and then all-time highs at 2075 plus levels. Yes, when the buyers pitch in or any instrument goes into a buy zone, it continues to rally. Thus be watchful, buy above 2050 and stay bullish. However, since it is slightly overbought, there is a potential retracement which can be expected. To benefit from the retracement, you have to sell at 2038. Below 2038, 2034.35 first target, 28.30 the next target. And see, gold is to be treated bearish only and only if it breaks below 2010 and then 2002 levels. These two levels are now going to become the bottom line for gold. It is to be treated bearish only and only if it stays below 2002 levels. Till then, every drop is a retracement and possibly it could remain bullish as long as 2002 is there. Remember, today is the data. It can show massive fluctuations. You have to ensure that your positions are safe and you are taking a right entry at the right time. Sell at 2038, buy at 2050. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar. And yes, do not miss to press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. See you again before the US session update. Do not miss that. Thank you.